And now the next thing that we'll do is we'll go ahead and take care of the actual plating itself. And all we need to do here is just apply a little bit of edge control along the four corners, very similar to how we did earlier with a box shape. I'll go ahead and grab any one of the top corners and go ahead and do a ring selection there. Go ahead and right click, connect, and just slide this control edge up. Go ahead and press OK. And if we go ahead and put our Turbo Smooth on now, you'll notice that it's going to kind of round everything off along the edges, and that's not really maintaining the shape that we want. And the reason for that is because we need to go ahead and add those extra edges of control both along the top as well as up and down along these corners. And that's so that we can make sure that we maintain the corner edge control that's defining the silhouette. You know, as you see, this whole calculation is getting smoothed out right now. And so to do that, all we need to do is just go ahead and drag select along the edges here. Go ahead and connect. And we'll go ahead and add two. We'll use the pinch tool and just bring these up. Go ahead and press OK. And so now we've got most of them, but we still want to isolate that very last little bit here at the top corner. And the way that we'll do that is by going in to this edge selection here. And we want to add 1/3 edge of control right here along the corner. So I'll go ahead and hit connect there. And I'll go ahead and just add one edge right there. Press OK. And I'll basically do the exact same thing over here on the opposite side. Go ahead and right click connect. And just bring that in to about there. And that's going to go ahead and tighten up that corner edge that we're looking for.